Hey, welcome back. This is Prico channel. If you are interested in programming, productivity, or digital nomad, please consider to subscribe, clicking down below on the button, and then click on the bell so you can be up to date to everything we'll all over here. In today's video, I'm gonna continue with the WooCommerce tweaks that I have been doing before in other videos. In this case, we are going to add a couple new fields to the register form on WooCommerce. It's a pretty common tweak and trick that is needed sometimes when you are creating your WooCommerce site. It's going to be a quick video, very simple. I hope you enjoy it. So let's gonna turn this coffee in code right now.
So the idea is that we are going to add some fields to the register. So at the moment that the user goes to the My Account page from WooCommerce, it's going to add new fields that maybe are necessary for you and for your application. In this case, I'm going to just simply add a first name, last name for the user. You can, for example, or add a phone or I don't know, ID or whatever you need on your country, but it's more like you can attach specifically data and extra data to your user at the moment that is registered. I am not sure if it's added to the checkout. We can try to look at the end, but let's just try to convert that. Okay, so I'm going to follow up our Pricode Wood Tweaks plugin that I did in previous videos. So for that, the first thing that we need to do is just simply create a function, and it's going to be attached to the action WooCommerce register form. So in this case, it's going to be Pricode new register fields. It's going to take a look over here about this action. See if there's a API. Yes, there we go. So we can have the API over here for this, and it's like this, So it happens exactly at the moment that the form is rendered. So let's get this down. I don't think that it has. It has not values, and we can simply add something like let's see, here, and something like this. Sorry. And we can add something like a first name here, and we can add a value, input, type text, and the name is going to be billing first name, and the value is going to be fits added. We're going to say something like if not empty, post billing first name, then like this, tr e billing. Sorry, to be post billing first. There you go. Let's see here. sure that it's added. And it's gonna make a simple test here. If it is working as I imagine, I mean, it should add here on the my account. There you go, first name. Okay. So we can also add something like last name. And you can add something like, just gonna add a new value that is not necessary. You can add something like a pet name. I don't know. Pet name. So last here. Pet name. There you go. Okay. So now the form has this. I can, well, I can add more style, but I'm not going to do that right now. And I can say that this is important, this is mandatory also. So now that we have the values, we need to then attach it to the, we need to add validations to the system. So WooCommerce has its own validations, and it also has an action for that. So the action is going to be WooCommerce register post, and we can add something. Right code, WooCommerce register post, and we add something like this here. We say function. There you go. And this has, let's see, which values it has. It has username, email, and the errors itself. Okay. So username, email, errors. So errors is an object, right? Yeah. Let's see, let me call this. Let's see. Yeah, registration of WooCommerce. Let's see. No, it's not here. Let me see what I can get here. Okay, so if it's not empty, I mean, if it's empty, post billing first name, so I can tell to the errors add to the billing, something like a billing first name error, and I can add a message over here, something like strong cannot be empty. Let's see if it works here. For the last name also. Let me see, and okay, this is attached to the register, and let's see if it works. If it works, it means that I cannot send this register without this value. So if I add an email over here, something like that. Private at test.com, And if I send this, it should tell me, let's see. Okay, I should add the number of values. Remember that this is the priority that the function is going to take, and this is the number of parameters that I'm going to pass to the function over here. And let's try it again. Let's error cannot be empty, so first name cannot be empty and last name cannot be empty. Let's try it again, continue. There you go, first name cannot be empty. That's it. We have now the validations. And then we need to save the information that we have. Okay. So if I then can do something like, so it has an action called add action WooCommerce created customer. And I can then do something like a try code. Woo created customer. So in this case, I can add something like, so if the value is set, same for the post, this, I can then say update user meta. Okay, it's going to pass me the customer ID. Let me confirm. Let's see. Yes, here it is. There we go. Can add it here. Yes, it has the customer ID at the first. Okay, cool. And I can then say to the customer ID is going to be the user ID for, and I can tell me something like that. First name, billing first name, and it's going to be the billing first name. And I should sanitize this. Sanitize text field. There you go. That's the value for. Same for the last name. Last name. And if I the value the pet is coming, you can also add the pet name for. Let's see what happens here. Let's try it again. I'm going to then add this email. I'm going to say this is YouTube. Last name. And my pet is going to be Lucas. Let's see. Add to register. There you go. I have created the account. The account should add my name. Okay, well it's not here. It's not here. Yeah, it's not added to the main WooCommerce values, but I can, for example, do something like that would be shell. Yes. Next one. So it will be user list. You wanna know how I'm using these? Remember that you can follow my other video about WP CLI, which is very important. WP shell, and I can get user meta, and I can then pass the ID of it, which is a 2, and it should tell me, like, oh, why? Oh, I got an error here. First name, pet name, billing last name is Lucas. Let's see if I can find here. No, I cannot. Let me. The user meta. Oh, well, I did pass. That's weird. First name is YouTube. Last name is Lucas. And where is my... okay, sorry for that. Yeah, I got the error here. Okay, let's gonna try it again, but in a checkout. Let's see if I can then check out here. And if I try to do a shop, I haven't tested this, so let's see how it works. Go to the checkout. And then shoot. Nah, it's not asking for me that. No. Create account. Yes. No, it's not. It's just only the register. So if I try it again here for the my account, I'm gonna try it again. So it's going to be then another at test.com. So it's going to be Alejo. That's my name. Test. Lucas 2. Let's see if I can register here. There you go. And if I do this, let's see again, a user list. That should be the shell. And if I pass the user meta number 3, there you go. My pet name is Lucas 2, last name is Des, and my first name is Alejo. That's it.
So we add the register fields to the WooCommerce registration. I think that we can also add it to the checkout. I'm going to try to leave it on the code. I know that I haven't uploaded the code to the GitHub. Please forgive me for it. I have been a little busy, but I'm pretty sure that I'm going to try to upload it by next week. I know that I always all the time say that, but yeah, it's going to be live. If you like this video, if you have any questions, as always, just leave a comment down below. If you think this video is worth, just give it a share. It really helps us to boost content like this and to bring you content like this. And if you like the video, just give a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.